The LED Canopy fixtures from NaturaLED are available in a white or black finish, multiple color temperature and brightness combinations, and with or without sensor options. They are quick and simple to install to any J-box. The included mounting plate is made to adjust and easily fit your application. Insert the first mounting screw to the J-box. Then slide the mounting plate on and add a second screw to secure the plate to the J-box. The built-in hanging clip allows for both hands to be free when it comes time to connect the wires from the J-box to the fixture. Making sure that the power is off, twist and connect the wiring from the J-box to the fixture. We recommend that the work is done by a licensed electrician and according to the local building codes. Once connected, push the wiring through the hole of the mounting plate. Push the fixture up flush to the mounting plate and slide it into place. The tabs on the fixture will slide into the tabs on the mounting plate so that you can secure the final screw. That's it. Turn the power back on and test your new NaturaLED Canopy fixture.